Hello, it's Arit here. Welcome back to the Essetino Artist channel. Today I have a quick announcement for you guys. Jewel and I were asked to speak at an exclusive business networking group here in Vancouver, Canada, specifically on the topic of how to monetize a YouTube channel. And specifically, if you're starting out, how do you monetize a small YouTube channel? So because this talk, everything is online right now, because this talk is going to be over Zoom, we want to extend a free invitation for you to come attend. It's going to be on Tuesday, June 9th in the evening from 7 to 9 p.m. PST. And if you're watching this video after this event has taken place, I will put the replay link to this talk in the description below. So check out for that replay link. So contrary to what most people think, you do not need to have 1 million subscribers and have a massive YouTube channel in order to actually earn some revenue from it. You also don't need to necessarily be approved for YouTube monetization, meaning earning ad revenue from your videos, before you can actually make money. There are many other ways to be able to monetize your YouTube channel, and in this talk we're going to go over at least 5 of those ways and dive in deep in terms of how you can actually set these up. We're going to debunk certain myths around monetization. We're going to look at what you need to consider, why certain channels make more money than others. And we'll essentially show you how to have your YouTube channel feed into these multiple streams of income. So if you're interested in listening to this talk, I'll put the link to this in the description below, so you can come over here, check out more details. The Zoom link is over here as well, so you can click on that when the time comes for the event and you can tune in. Like I said, if you're watching this after the fact, I'll put the replay link as well below, so you'll see 2 links in the description. The link for this event if you'd like to join live, because we'll also be taking questions, and so you'll have an opportunity to ask your question if you like and get some answers. So if you do want to attend live, you can come over to here, this page, register for free, and once we have the replay link for this talk, you'll also see that in the description below. So guys, that is it for this video. Just wanted to share that quick announcement with you guys. I hope to see you there at the event, and if not, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.